Senator Ted Cruz, Republican of Texas, just broke two cardinal rules of politics. One, he went on vacation while a disaster was striking his state and people were suffering. Making it worse is that the vacation destination was Cancun, Mexico, a nice, warm, exotic location while his constituents are back in Texas freezing without power and heat. If you're an elected official or a candidate and disaster strikes your area, you stay home. You help out in any way you can. Even if the remedies are somewhat beyond your power, you can at least give comfort, empathy, work on relief efforts. You can't leave, particularly for a vacation. Maybe a family death or a family wedding might be an exception, and even then you run right back.